So, your company wants everyone to get up to speed on AI security. That's great. But how do they figure out what training you actually need? I mean, it's not the same as what your colleague needs, right? Today, we're going to dig into how smart organizations are ditching the generic approach and getting personal with AI security training. And just a quick heads up before we dive in, this explainer comes from Chapter 6 of a tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. All right, here's our game plan for today. First, we'll talk about why that one-size-fits-all training usually falls flat. Then, we'll introduce a really cool framework, the AI Security Pyramid. From there, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of what's actually being measured. And finally, we'll get to the best part, what a personalized learning path actually looks like for you.
Okay, let's start with a problem I am pretty sure we've all experienced, that dreaded, generic, one-size-fits-all training session.
You know that feeling, right? You're sitting there clicking through slides that are either way too basic for you or have absolutely nothing to do with your day-to-day job. It's not just boring, it feels like a colossal waste of everyone's time.
But here's the kicker. When it comes to AI security, this isn't just an annoyance, it's a real danger. With generic training, the experts are bored and tune out, the beginners are totally overwhelmed, and nobody really learns what they need to. And the result? You've got these massive security gaps just sitting there, wide open.
And this really gets to the heart of the issue. Just imagine two people with the exact same job title. One's a tech wizard who's been playing with AI tools for fun on the weekends. The other is just getting the hang of the basics. A generic training program treats them like they're the same person, which is just completely ineffective. A personalized approach, though, it gets it. It understands they're at different starting lines and crafts the training to fit them.
So, if one size fits all is such a mess, how do we fix it? Well, you need a framework. And that's where this idea of the AI security pyramid comes into play. It really helps bring some much-needed order to the chaos.
This pyramid is actually a really simple but powerful way to visualize the different layers of AI security skills you need across a whole company. Because, let's be honest, not everyone needs to be a top-level cybersecurity guru. This model makes it crystal clear who needs what. So let's break it down.
Check out how this works. Down at the bottom, you've got basic awareness. This is the wide base of the pyramid. It's for everyone. The absolute must-know do's and don'ts. Then, as you start climbing, the groups get smaller and the skills get way more specialized. You move up through foundational knowledge to practical implementation, then advanced application, until you hit the very peak, strategic leadership. That's for the small handful of people who are setting the AI security vision for the entire organization.
Okay, so we've got our levels sorted out. But when we're assessing someone, what are we actually looking for? Well, it really boils down to three key things.
It's called the KSA model: knowledge, skills, and attitude. A simple way to think about it is knowledge is what you know in your head. Skills is what you can physically do. And attitude, well, that's your mindset. It's your willingness to actually do the right thing. And a really good assessment is going to measure all three.
And this part is just so critical. You can know the security policy inside and out, and you can have all the technical skills, but if your attitude is, ugh, this is a hassle, I'm just going to skip this one step, that's where disaster happens. It's not about what you know, it's about what you choose to do with that knowledge. And yeah, that's often the hardest thing to teach and measure.
So we have the levels, we've measured the knowledge, skills, and attitude. What does all this mean for you as an employee? Let's look at the final payoff, your personalized learning path.
The end result of all this is what's called an individual learning profile. Now, this is not a report card, okay? Think of it more like a custom-built GPS for your career. It shows you exactly where you are right now, where you need to go, and the smartest, fastest route to get there.
So, what does this GPS actually look like? Let's pop the hood and break down the different parts. It's actually a super logical step-by-step process. Here's how it works. Step 1. You get a really clear snapshot of your current skills. Step 2. It shows you the exact gaps between what you know and what your role needs. Step 3. You get specific recommendations, like take this online module or attend this workshop to close those gaps. And Step 4. A realistic timeline to get it all done. It's a clear, actionable plan that's designed just for you. And that's really the whole point of this entire process. It's about efficiency, for sure, but it's also about respect. It respects your time by not forcing you to sit through stuff you don't need. And it respects the company's security by making sure everyone has exactly the skills they need right when they need them. So, I'll leave you with this question to think about. Is your organization just checking a box with its training programs, or is it truly investing in the specific AI skills that you need to be safe and successful? Because the difference between those two things isn't small, it's everything.